The plants look nice. Real nice. This is very big. They do look nice. Just look very hard. Wow. Very cool.
Did you see it, John?
Briefly see everyone.
Oh, good. Thank you. Y'all can do this at the gym. Do outside.
Ollie, this is a smoke bomb. It's gonna make a lot of smoke.
Whoa, Ollie, check it out. Look at all that smoke.
Okay.
That was awesome.